and 12 and 2 today. It is hot and cold. Yeah, games are really hit or miss, I feel like, this season. It's...
If we use our ice powers together, we can stop our enemies cold.
Ice powers? What the heck are you talking about, kid?
You are the Winter Soldier, aren't you?
I think something may have gotten lost in translation.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
They say that music brings the world together.
I'm so into
I
you.
think we need superheroes for that.
I know I don't need it. I usually play Luna.
I was worried.
I don't need it. I turned off the aim assist to play with my controller. And I usually play Luna. Someone is on Luna, so I cannot play Luna.
Capture now.
Whoa. We're up by 1.
One down.
Need to reload. I have a bubble down and you're walking out of it.
Wow.
Not you. Blinding. I almost have mine.
Damn.
Guys. I killed 2.
Yeah, well, they killed 2 and they were both their support.
Your mag has meatball.
Control lost. My time to shine.
I cook ulted right like on top
Nice,
of you
we're
guys.
staggering.
Hit GM3 and have any motivation to try and climb further. And so, yeah, I will say honest, it's kind of ass. This season's ass. They need to fix the queues. I just want to get back to Eternity. I don't even want to try for one above all. I just want to get back to Eternity. Shouldn't be this difficult. Oh, we don't have another support ult?
No, our other healer switched. Oh, this might be the worst Star-Lord I've seen. Why is server admin with his ult? Didn't kill nothing.
Control seized. You captured more than half.
I think it was just like he was super weak and he didn't step on the cloak ult. Good gracious, ass is bodacious, all flirtatious. Me and the rest of my heathens.
I feel like I'm being watched.
Magic's up there.
Sneaking from behind. I'll get you next time.
Magneto dies here. Kill Mag. Okay. You guys stay on the point with your supports. Do you want cloak? I can go Luna.
Their team's capture progress has passed.
I'll use cloak ult and swap.
I don't think they wanted to play Luna into dive.
Eyes on these coordinates. You can find our enemies here.
Stay point with our tank and your supports. I'm going down. 95 on a cloak ult. You have me. Do you have a thing for me?
Yeah, bubble.
Please stay on my cloak ult this time.
Watch out, the magic's chasing you.
I don't have fade.
I got bubbled.
They're winning, but you've still got a chance. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
All I ever wanted to do was sing, really.
Alright, DPS.
Yeah, I don't know why we're playing.
I didn't always love my powers.
I don't know why we're
but now I think they're
played.
great.
I don't know. This comp, I don't know either. Hot in here, so take off all your
You shouldn't be playing Iron
clothes.
Fist or Punisher. Punisher's really shit into this comp.
If you step out of line, Mr. Bonds, I will not hesitate to rip that metallic limb from your body. Then I guess it's a good thing I only need one arm to take you out.
No, so I think you could be a better Star Lord. This guy's really bad.
The battle
I
starts
think
in
if I
5,
just
4,
if I could like duplicate
Bro, you
myself
decide
and
to
have me on
play
Strange, it
way
wouldn't
the
be a
fuck
problem.
away from our
do is capture the mission area. Got
play
it?
from us. Like